Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great, start of the weekend so far. And in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin again. Situation is unchanged, all right? So this will probably be a relatively short video. There's obviously things we need to talk about. I mean, it's Christmas weekend, or at least I'm not even sure if that's a real thing, but it's weekend, so volume is low. And Christmas is coming up, so that means volume will stay low. All right, so we're going into a period of or a couple of days of illiquid markets. You can already see that right now. I mean, if you look at the volume of Bitcoin right now, it's around $17 billion. That compared to last week it was around $18 billion, so still $1.5 billion higher. So it's already lower, and just market wide, it's dropping. All right, you can see that as well here. Market wide, it's down 27% over the last day. So that's not the end of the world. I mean, that's normal in the weekend, right? But what that does mean is that what happens when markets are illiquid, so when there's not a lot of volume, which basically is the same, not completely, but kind of. That means that you can make the markets move with less money. All right, so that means that more volatility is possible. That doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to happen, but it is something I do expect. And it also means to me that all the breakouts we're going to get, I don't think can fully be trusted. Like it is possible that will spike up to, for example, 46,000, which technically probably means that we've broken above 45,000, which is great. But a breakout in illiquid market circumstances doesn't mean that the entire market really is going to keep moving up. I mean, sometimes the risk at a fake out increases as well. And now, I mean, technically, and we've spoken about this in the last couple of videos, technically Bitcoin is still very much stuck here at the top. I mean, we don't know whether this is just the top of the consolidation, if you assume we're consolidating between 44,500 and 40,500. Or whether this is, and that, I mean, you can confirm this or not, but this could also just be a consolidation before a continuation, because you could argue that these bullish moves last week, so since Monday, are the start of a new uptrend. You could do that. I mean, if you look at the 1 hour time frame, you'll quite clearly see that we have lost that uptrend. Look, right here, we still had an uptrend, right? So let's say until yesterday morning, we still had a strong uptrend, but now the price is very much consolidating. All right, Bitcoin right now, purely technically, is just consolidating between 43,000 and 44,500. That's the situation, and we're waiting for a breakout. And honestly, because of these illiquid market circumstances, it could really get a bullish or a bearish breakout. If we purely take a look at the technicals, I would say it's most likely. Look, fundamentally, as most of you know, I'm super bullish on the markets, but there is nothing yet, I would say, maybe next week, but at this moment there's nothing yet that would make me think like, hey, we're going to get a bullish breakout. Volume is not that high, there's not a ton of open interest build up. It's actually dropping down a bit even. So yeah, given those numbers, I would say that it's way more likely that the market is neutral and that will just stay in this consolidation. So that would mean a drop below 43,000, support at 42,000, and then probably a drop down to 41 and 40,500. All right. So I think that's most likely. But honestly, I wouldn't be surprised either if the price just consolidates in this small consolidation until Christmas, and that then volume comes back in, and then the ETF approval date is almost there, right? So then we could actually get a bullish breakout. So personally, I'm just waiting for that breakout. I think a bearish breakout is a little bit more likely, but wait for a breakout either below 43,000 or 44,500, above that, and then you have more security. All right, I'll keep you updated on this as well, also throughout Christmas, so don't worry about that. But that's what I'm waiting for, and that's what it depends on. But like I said, my bias is slightly bearish. Apart from that, don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. Don't forget to have a good weekend, a healthy weekend. That's important. But for now, those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.